so this is the LED third brake light for the Akasaka rear diffuser for the 2018 through 2022 Honda Accord. This kit is going to be a little different than some of the other ones for the third brake light. It comes with this type of harness here. So we're going to show you briefly where this harness goes. So when you go to hook everything up, you can do that without any issues. So on your driver's side here, if you just pull back your liner, and there's a clip up here that you'll have to take off, which I've already taken off. You're going to expose these connectors and harnesses here. This is the one you want. So what you're going to do is you're going to unhook from this side. Just be very careful, don't tug on any of the wires too hard. You're going to unhook this. So that end there is going to go into this end here. This is the end here that'll actually connect directly to it. It goes in, you notice it looks just like the OEM one. So it's going to hook up directly. And just again, be very careful. Make sure everything's turned the correct direction. And then once everything's connected correctly, this end here is going to go where the original connector went. And then you've got your wire here that you will connect to the third brake light. So your third brake light's going to be down here on your, which we don't have the Akasaka diffuser on this vehicle, but your third brake light will be down here on the diffuser. You'll run your wire up behind the bumper. You can run it up behind the bumper, and if you want to, you can actually run it behind the tail light and through that little rubber grommet that you run your wires through, or however you want to run it. But once it's ran through, you'll just connect it to this connector here, the two connectors together. Make sure the wires line up correctly, yellow, red, and black, yellow, red, and black. And then you can take and just tuck this back behind the liner, and then we'll have our light, which will function, and I'll show you how everything comes on. So we turn our headlights on.
Okay, as you can see, the light is on, the running light is on. Okay, because of the light, we have too much light over here, that's why you can barely see it, but it's on. And then you press the brake. Okay. It strobes 2 or 3 times, and after that it becomes solid. Okay.
Good.
Okay, so this is how the connection works on the, for the third brake light on the Akasaka rear diffuser.